Alright guys, I'm using classic white cake and I whipped it up, mixed it with the mixer. I've got my 3 bowls and my food coloring. I'm going to divide this up into 3. So I've got my food coloring. I did purple, which is just neon purple. Did orange, neon orange. And I did pink, neon pink. I'm just going to mix these up. I've got them all mixed up. Really nice pink. Really nice orange. Looks more like a yellow on the camera, but it is an orange. And purple. Alright, so I've got the colors mixed. So I'm using baking spray, and you have to be generous with your pan. I am using an 8-inch round pan for this cake. It's really hard to zoom in on this. There we go. Need a really nice coat on that. Alright, so this one I'm going to do the camouflage, which would be more like, you know, like the army print. We're just going to add dot there, dot there. And I'm just going to go around and just put splats of the cake batter around the cake pan.
You should have put
I should have did
yeah.
it. Yeah, I know. I messed up. It's okay. It still look really cute when it's time to eat. So either way. Use all the rest of this. And since I only used pink, and I've got a lot of pink left, put that right there.
It looks so cute.
So you really don't have to be so neat about it. Just kind of plop it in there. When this bakes, all the colors are going to kind of rise up a little. So obviously, like when you bake a cake, it rises. And you just kind of slop it around. Alright, so this is going to be the top half of the cake. So again, I generously put the baking spray. And now I'm going to put half of this right there. Other half of this in the middle of this. And it'll spread out along the bottom of the pan. So you want to at least get 2 layers. I'm going to do purple. Purple. And then we're going to do it again. And we're going to do the other half. I'm just going to layer it. And then orange. And then finally the last of the purple in the very middle. So this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to put this in the oven, and we will be right back.